Hi, I'm Jacob Creek from Small Engine Warehouse, and this is a review of the Briggs Stratton 44T977 engine. This robust 25 GP engine from the commercial series features a vertical 11/8x45/16 shaft and an advanced cyclonic air cleaner for superior debris management. It comes equipped with a fuel pump, premium oil filter for optimal performance, and a 16-amp alternator. The Choke-A-Matic system ensures easy and reliable startups every time. It's an excellent choice for anyone needing reliable commercial-grade performance. Our lines are open from 8 to 5 every day during the week, so give us a call.